Hi guys, it's Kelly from Cards by Christine here with you on a Tip Tuesday with a tip about how to glue your intricate dies. So Stampin' Up! Has really upped their game on their die cut images these past few years. There are so many beautiful dies with so much intricate detail, but it can be hard to adhere them easily. And Stampin' Up! Did come up with foam adhesive sheets that you can run through your die cut die cut machine and stick to the back of your die, and those do work. But here's a different tip if you want to try something a little different. So what I'm using here is the silicone mat, and of course I grabbed my empty glue, so let's grab a different one here and make a small puddle of your mono liquid glue, just your glue, and take a sponge dauber or the Stampin' sponges and go ahead and kind of spread out your puddle of glue into your sponge and then paint it on the back of your die. Now this is honestly the first time I've used this sponge, so it is absorbing. I grabbed the empty one again. It is absorbing more than after you're not using a new sponge, if that makes any sense. But go ahead and just pepper some glue all over the back of this thing. And then stick it on your design, and voila. You have a quick and easy way to adhere your delicate, intricate, beautiful die cut pieces. I do have a tip on if you do use this. Now, you can just go ahead and rinse the glue out of there, but I would label your dauber and or Stampin' sponge with the word glue, because you're not going to want to, even if you get it nice and cleaned out, you're still not going to want to use this on your ink pads. So a very important tip. And then this as well can either be rinsed under water or use a baby wipe, and you're simple, clean, and you're done. So I hope you enjoyed this tip, and we will see you on Thursday.